producers and teams, from Terry Jo to Ian Asher and everyone behind it.
Complete list, SB19 bags 11 awards, jury and fan voted at the 38th Awit Awards. Yes, SB19 won a total of 11 awards at the Awit Awards 2025, 1 special award, jury voted, 3 technical awards, jury voted, and 7 awards from People Voice Awards.
For Breakthrough Artist, the Awit goes to... Once again, it's Stel!
On behalf of Philippe, we'd like to thank all the fans who voted, all 18 F-Stands, CCOs, everyone who voted. He loves everyone so much. He loves you guys so much. Thank you so much, everyone.
I just wanted to share, this is Justin who messaged me. I just want to share that making music videos and other visual arts is one of the main reasons I pursued this career. Because I know that I'll be able to showcase my creativity through music. So thank you so much, 18 and Marisan, for loving the surreal music video, my firstborn, haha. And of course, to the small team we had for this MV, you know who you are, guys. Shout out to Sayan, who's been my creative tandem, Sony Music, and 1Z. Maraming salamat po.
We'll take this as well. On behalf of Stel, we'd like to accept this award. I'd like to thank all the fans as well. 18 and everyone who's been voting. Salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you.
SB19!
Maraming salamat, Awit Awards powered by Vibe. Proudly accepting this award on behalf of SB19 and Block9.
Gabriel Esnani and Philip John Susan.
Let's go, Luke!
I'll be accepting this award on behalf of Philippe. Couldn't be here, but thank you guys so much. Shout out to Warner, shout out to Monastery, shout out to Dynamic Balabyab. This is crazy. Thanks so much. Thanks.
10:30 to Lapa, we would like to thank 1Z Entertainment, syempre SB19 and Sony Music, and sa mga kasama kong artist sa paggawa ng cover art, Miko and Mako Pasero. Thank you po.
Hello po, I'm Alan Shi, the director of Kalakal po. Thank you po, 1Z Entertainment, SB19, Awit Awards powered by Vibe, and also 18, thank you so much! Emma Sintaga and Sir Block9, thank you po.
Hello po, ako si Mama Sony. I'm accepting this award on behalf of Pablo and his brother Josue, otherwise known as Rad Kids. Sila po ang isa sa pinakatalentadong songwriter-producer teams sa buong bansa ngayon. Maraming salamat, Vibe. Maraming salamat, Awit Awards. So Justin has a special message for all of you. I'm just so grateful po to be receiving this award because Kaibigan is the very first song I was able to finish. And I did not expect it to be what it is right now. Thank you so much, Rad Kids, for making this song much better. Sony Music for helping Kaibigan reach people. 1Z Entertainment, the people behind all these. SB Boys sa pang-aalaska nyo. And of course, 18 and Marisan. Sa lahat ng effort at pagmamahal. Maraming salamat po, you guys. You deserve this.
level of collaboration and improvement. This sound brought together incredible artists, producers, and teams, from Terijo to Ian Asher and everyone behind it.
It truly shows the power of music to connect us across borders and cultures.
A huge thank you to everyone who believed in this vision, and of course to our A-team for your constant support, and to our amazing collaborators. This award belongs all to you.
Music is universal, and tonight is proof that when we come together, beautiful things happen. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
To present the best instrumental recording, let's all